So, greetings YouTube. It is a beautiful, quiet Sunday early afternoon in the English countryside, and I'm very pleased to say we are now in possession of the device. Just got the old ruler out, and that's 12.5 inches by 8 inches, or in centimetres, that's 320 millimetres by 204 millimetres, and it's quite light. I think it only weighs about a kilo, maybe more. I don't have scales at the minute to check it. It does have a sticker there, which you can read, so that's good. What I will do is, because that'll flake off, I'm going to print off some nice labels to go on the front. So this is the inside. It looks pretty basic. See, that says fan input there. That's the connectors to the back of the turbine. I don't know what the black one does. No, presumably an earth of some kind. And this is a shunt, which is like a dump load, which I presume gets rid of excess power when there's nothing the turbine can do with it. So this has a DC output here, and I'm wondering if that's where you just connect a dump load. We won't find out until tomorrow, because this is the calm before the storm. It's going to get very, very windy tomorrow. Interestingly, I just noticed that is a 24 volt fan, and you don't see many of them. I don't know if I've ever seen one actually. So yeah, I thought that was pretty interesting. And what I shall do now, I shall go and plug it into 2 batteries to see if it comes on. I love these little displays. I love stuff like that. It cleaned up pretty well, seeing as though it's, I don't know how old it is. I'm presuming it's 15 years old. So yeah, sweet. So I've connected it up to a 24 volt battery. You can hear the clunk, which is that relay, presumably, but it doesn't seem to spring to life. Those lights, by the way, is the spotlight above illuminating the cabinet. So I'm not sure if that's broken or if it just needs power coming into it from the turbine. So I shall let you know tomorrow when we have lots of wind. Sweet.